Hello, my name is Samiha. Every day there is many things that happen all over the world. That is why we have media that updating us some issues. That is the trick here. The media is designed and showing specific issue. This is agenda setting theory. The idea that what the public thinks about is set by the media. How the mass media influence in the making a certain issue as a public agenda. The agenda was formally developed by Dr. Maxwell McCombs and Dr. Donald Shaw during 1968 US presidential election. This agenda setting theory, also known as Chapel Hill study, it happened among 100 residents of Chapel Hill in North Carolina. During the political campaign, the media used to convince voters, explain about the views of the presidential nominees to the public's perceptions. The theory covered two aspects. First is media agenda. What is media agenda? If you can see here, there is filter over near the globe there. All the news and facts will go through the filter before the media release it. That makes which aspect and facts of the issue to be published. The objective here to shape people's view about the news and issues. Next, the second aspect of the theory is public agenda. Here, how media gives topic to the public to think about. The media states more often an issue is covered, the more important a society will believe that issues. Here, to shift the focus of the public towards certain issues. From the Chapel Hill study, the hypothesis was they're more influenced by what the media provided to them compared to what they are thinking. My understanding from the study's hypothesis are the people in Chapel Hills just accept what the media provide to them. But the result shows differently. According to the researcher, the resident of Chapel Hill thought was the most important election issue and what the media reported was the most important issue. Meaning here, the people already have their own opinion. The media just confirm what they were thinking. Here, the perception model by Prof. Frank Berschneider. If you can see here, the reality, everything happen in the world will go through this agenda cutting or agenda building before the issue goes to the media reality. From here, the media will focus on the issues that have been filtered or shaped based on agenda setters or agenda builder. In the media reality, where the public agenda being set on how media concentrate on a few issues, the accessibility and subjects to the public. I will explain more about agenda building and the time frame on how the theory works in next few slides. The agenda building. Who is the agenda building? They are the media like newspaper, radio, television. It's normally set for targeted agendas such as politics, economy, science, and society. Within this process, the media takes control of the information we see or hear. The media then use gatekeeping and agenda setting to control the news and information. Gatekeeping is a series of checkpoints that the news has to go through before it released to the public. The gatekeeper is a person who controls behind every issues that reported in the media. They are reporters, writers, and editors. Media coverage in agenda setting theory have a powerful impact on what individuals think that other people are thinking. That is why the time frame for the issue to be broadcast have been planned because of to shape the public perception towards the issues. The time frame for this theory can be recognized as accessibility. The more important the issue that have been extensively covered by the media will be the most accessible. For example, when we were asked about the most important problem facing the country now, the answer normally comes with the most accessible news issues in memory, which is typically the issues the news media focus on the most. So that is about the agenda setting theory from me. One last word from me. Remember, the news or issue you are watching that are presented for a reason. Thank you.